Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation in the subject Merchant Banking and Financial Services for the degree MCOM. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. Now we move on to the types of underwriters. The most common type of underwriter is a mortgage loan underwriter. Students, already we have seen about underwriting, the concepts of underwriting in my previous videos. You can go through that. Now we are in the types of underwriters. We are in mortgage underwriters. Who are they? Mortgage loans are approved based on a combination of an applicant's income, credit history, debt ratios, and overall savings. Mortgage loan underwriters ensure that a loan applicant meets all of these requirements and they subsequently approve or deny a loan. Underwriters also review a property's appraisal to ensure that it is accurate and the home is worth the purchase price and loan amount. I hope till this you understood, students. Mortgage loan underwriters have final approval for all mortgage loans. Loans that are not approved can go through an appeal process, but the decision requires overwhelming evidence to be overturned. Then agents and brokers represent both consumers and insurance companies, while underwriters work for insurance companies. Hope you understood the mortgage underwriters. Now we are in insurance underwriters. Much like mortgage underwriters, review applications for coverage and accept or reject an applicant based on risk analysis. Insurance brokers and other entities submit insurance applications on behalf of clients, and insurance underwriters review the application and decide whether or not to offer insurance coverage. Additionally, insurance underwriters advise on risk management issues, determine available coverage for specific individuals, and review existing clients for continued coverage analysis. Third part, we move on to equity underwriters. In the equity markets, underwriters administer the public issuance and distribution of securities in the form of common or preferred stock from a corporation or other issuing body. Perhaps the most prominent role of an equity underwriter is in the initial public offer process. Hope you would understood this. Equity underwriters also. Now we are on IPO underwriters, initial public offer. Already we have mentioned about IPO. IPO underwriters are financial specialists who work closely with the issuing body to determine the initial offering price of the securities, buy the securities from the issuer, and sell the securities to investors via the underwriters distribution network. Then IPO underwriters are typically investment banks that have IPO specialists on staff. The underwriter also guarantees that a specific number of shares will be sold at that initial price and will purchase any surplus. Debt security underwriters. Underwriters purchase debt securities such as government bonds, corporate bonds, municipal bonds, or preferred stock from the issuing body to resell them for a profit. The profit is known as the underwriting spread. Hope you would understood all the types of underwriters. We would meet in the next video. Thank you.